What is going on, everybody? Welcome back. MTG here with another episode. Now, two quick updates. It's raining, so don't mind the noise in the background. And second, I finally got a camera, but no, this video is not being recorded with the camera. That's for later videos. Anyway, in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how you can get the Google camera on the OnePlus 7 Pro. Now, I do recall saying that I wouldn't install the Google camera on my OnePlus 7 Pro because of the new update that OnePlus brought out to their stock camera app, but I'm collaborating with AndroidSage in this video, so thank you for them for helping me make this video possible. And they provided me the link for the OnePlus 7 Pro Google camera app, so I'm going to be showing you guys how to get that and showing you guys the difference. So without further delay, let's dive right in. So still raining. I'm going to continue the video, but I'm going to mute the volume of the next clip and just put in the background music. Basically, I'm just going to be showing you how to get the Google camera app on your OnePlus 7 Pro on video, and then some camera and photo samples as well afterwards, and then end off the video from there. Alrighty, I just want to clear up some confusion. The link that I provided in the video is actually the Google Camera Mod version 6.2. Now 6.3 Google Camera did come out, but that's just for Pixel devices. They're still working on a mod for Android devices such as the OnePlus 7 Pro. But once I get that 6.3 mod for the 7 Pro, I will be making a video on that. Thank you so much for AndroidSage for collaborating. If you guys did enjoy this video, be sure to comment down below, Superman that like button, and best of all, Superman that subscribe button. Until next time, everybody, and until next video, this is MTG.